MSI is leading WP7, which is focused on exploitation, training, and replicability. The main message is to ensure the maximum impact of the developments which we are working on CAPRI project. And it's important that these developments indeed lead to specific results and can be exploited. This can be done by both types of partners, academic partners and industrial partners, both in their own way of business growth. And the second part of the project will be focused on guarantee the continuity of CAPRI project results after the project ends. Well, the major challenges we are going to address are the study and analysis of exploitation plans for each sector involved in CAPRI project. Each final use case must take measures aiming to ensure exploitation of the results. The MSI role is to help each company to analyze this exploitation plan, providing them with tools that makes them think about it. Nowadays, the major breakthrough of this work package has been the identification of the main key exploitable results which we are going to analyze to make the exploitation plan. Last task we have done in this topic was the canvas analysis workshop, where each company thought about questions as: who are the potential users of your results? How will you contact them? And so on. The main benefit will be that each exploitation partner will be able to do the correct measurements to maximize their market impact. CAPRI sets up a large range of complementary activities leading to the maximum visibility of the project and support the achievement of the exploitation, training and replication objectives. Thank you.